In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your PHP version in Cpanel, specifically for web hosting services like Bluehost, Hostgator, and Godaddy. This process is essential for ensuring that your website runs smoothly and takes advantage of the latest security and performance enhancements. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to your web hosting services website. If you're with Hostgator, simply type in hostgator.com into your browser and you'll find yourself on their homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right hand corner of the screen. You should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process of accessing your Cpanel dashboard. After signing in with your credentials, you'll be directed to the Hostgator homepage. This is the central hub for managing your account and services. Look for the website section here. It's usually prominently displayed as this is where you'll manage various settings regarding your web properties. Click on website to proceed to the next step. Once in the website section, locate the settings option. This is where you'll be able to tweak various configurations related to your hosting and site performance. Click on settings and it will take you into the next area where you can see and adjust the PHP version for your website. Now that you're in the settings area, look for an option that mentions PHP version, which might currently display a number like PHP 8.3. This indicates the PHP version your site is currently using. Click on this option to reveal more details about the PHP configurations available for your server. You'll be presented with a screen displaying the current version of PHP that your website is running. Next, find the change button adjacent to this information. Clicking this button will display a list of available PHP versions you can switch to. Depending on your hosting provider, you might have a range of versions at your disposal, each with its own set of features and improvements. Select the PHP version you'd like to use. It's generally recommended to choose the latest stable version to ensure your website benefits from the most recently added features and security patches. Once you've made your selection, simply confirm your choice and your hosting provider will take care of the rest, updating the PHP version for you. After you've completed this change, there's usually a brief period where the settings are applied. Ensure you refresh or clear your cache to see your site's updated performance or to iron out any discrepancies. With the PHP version updated, your site is now equipped with the latest improvements. And there you have it. Your website should now be running on the updated PHP version, enhancing its functionality and security. Thanks for following along and make sure to subscribe for more useful hosting tutorials.